Hello, this is one of the doubt asked by one of my students, and it says that if it is given that a H plus concentration of any XYZ solution is 10 raised to power minus 17, in that case pH will be 16 or a value greater than 14. Understand, when you talk about say acid, so it appears paradoxical over here, but it's not so. I'll tell you why. Because that XYZ quantity would be dissociating to give us H plus, and that is giving H plus of the order of 10 raised to power minus 16. Of course, it's a aqueous solution, so basically water is also going to participate, and that contributes H plus to the extent of what? 10 raised to power minus 7, which means what? There would be a common ion effect. And just like we always take the concentration from the stronger electrolyte, so we will not take H plus concentration from XYZ, we will take it from what? Coming from water, H2O, and that will make the pH close to 7, right? That is one thing. So something which appears paradoxical. For example, if I say what is the pH of 10 molar H2SO4, so if you find pH is equal to minus log of H plus ions, right? And let us say H plus ions over here would be what? It will be 20. So if I find minus log of 20, we can see that the answer is coming out to be negative, which is not so. Now this means what? It means that H2SO4, which we assumed that was a strong electrolyte, but at a very high concentration it is not dissociating 100%, right? So pH always lies between what? Between 0 to 14. The next question can also be, can such compound exist? So in nature, no. I mean, when you have such compounds which dissociate very less, giving us H plus, such very weak acid is not known to us, right? All the acids which are known to us have a Ka value ranging between 10 raised to power minus 6 to the least, or 10 raised to power minus 7, right? Or maybe even some of them are less, let's say 10 raised to power minus 9. But still they will be giving us H plus concentration which will be far better than this value, right? So this is such kind of acid will not exist, which gives us very small H plus. Okay, so and if this exists, and the second part is also it is not specified whether it's an acid or a base. So but we know that H plus contribution from here is way less, and it is so less that it is not able to disturb even the dissociation of neutral water also. So we can safely assume the solution to be a neutral thing, not acid, not base.